Welcome back, everyone. Today's opening day of Pennsylvania's firearm deer season. If you're new here, we do most of our hunting on a small private property in northwest Pennsylvania. We're in a 3-up antler restriction area. Being a small property surrounded by heavy hunting pressure, still hunting, doing deer drives just pushes deer to our neighbors. So we primarily have 3 box blinds that we hunt depending on the wind direction. We try to keep our hunting pressure as low as possible. Well, it's almost legal hunting time. My daughter and I are set up in a box blind we call the rifle house. It's about 24 degrees outside. It's only a high of like 30 today. We have about 6 to 8 inches of snow on the ground. Should be perfect conditions for opening day. This little fawn's been behind us all morning, digging up acorns. I don't think I mentioned earlier, but we're strictly buck hunting. The last couple days of season, that's usually when we'll fill our doe tags. I didn't see its head.
Oh no.
It's a big doe.
Yeah, it's huge. The other two are coming.
Okay. Doe.
Go.
Doe.
I can't see that fully.
Doe.
You see him before I do, so.
Yeah. Doe. That's a pretty big doe.
That is a big doe.
Yeah, they're like 250 yards. You'd have to aim like just down from the top of the back, couple inches. Doe. Doe. I told you it was a whole herd. 6 doe.
The doe.
Yeah, it's probably the 3 doe we seen go in there this morning. I have 20 minutes of legal hunting time left. It's starting to get a little dark for the camera. So if we don't see any other deer, that's the end of day one. We didn't see much antler today, but we had deer movement all day long. I don't think we went more than an hour all day today without seeing a deer. That's a decent buck over there. We just hit legal hunting time. I can't tell if he's legal. He's not real big. Just seen a big dark body deer cross the middle food plot. By the time I could see it was a buck, I tried to stop him, but he was like 250. Man, can my day get much worse? There's another one. That was a buck too. Hey, was it the big one?
There's two of them. The one behind looks bigger than the one in front of it.
Okay, that's them. There's the gas well box blind where my dad was sitting. These two buck were probably 60 yards. I think he shot at them right here. One cut and went that way. One cut went this way. And I can see blood in the snow. Ooh, that might be gut. There's a bunch of yellow in the snow. Hair and blood. He's already dragging his front left leg a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera away. The first 70 yards, he was making 15 to 20 foot-pounds. He's starting to get down into thicker stuff and slowing down. Now he's stopped running. He's bleeding really good now. Just found him. Looks like a pretty wide buck. Looks really nice. I'm gonna go up here and get my dad. And 12:30, just got back in my stand. As you seen, I found my dad's buck. He's not a fan of being on camera, but he did let me get a couple pictures of him with his buck. Even though my morning was complete chaos and nothing went right for me, at least my dad's having a good day. Big doe. Little fawn. Yeah, that was a button buck. It's not looking good. We must have chased all the deer out of here, combined with all the neighboring pressure. Been a lot of shooting today. Something doesn't happen soon, I'll talk to you on the next hunt.